It finally happened. My two most favorite loved toys of growing up have finally combined. And when I saw this in the store, I could not believe it. Yes, Hot Wheels and Lego. Unbelievable. So I'm doing something different this time around, and I'm going to do an unboxing video. So let's check it out. The name of the vehicle is called the Custom Small Block, which is kind of a clever take since it's like a block, a Lego block or brick. You can see on the front there's a couple of studs in the grille. There's a couple studs on either side of the engine. You can see where a 1x2 can fit into the side. See what's on the back. 3 studs across. The engine is 3 studs across, and so is the windshield. And I see a couple of studs in the bed area. Sort of like it's a truck, basically. Part of the Trackstar series. It's number 10 of 10. Save the best for the last. And there's a little diagram showing you how the pieces of the body go on there. And there's another diagram of the car. There's even some Cyrillic writing for Slavic countries, Russia and the like.
Привет, I'm Comrade Matt.
So overall, I like the design. It's sort of a retro. The orange and yellow give it a retro flavor. The card makes it look like the engine was supposed to have a chrome finish, but when you look at it in reality, it's a silver. Wow. Here she is. That's cool. It's got a Hot Wheels logo on the valve covers. This is actually kind of a smoked black piece. It's actually clear. The bottom is diecast. It's painted black. It's got 5 spokes. Big and bigger. I like it's got kind of a muscle car stripe on the side. Alright. That's cool. That came off pretty easy. That came off really easy. So we have 7 studs across and 3 studs wide. So on this side there's a little cutout of the Hot Wheels logo. And just a blank piece in there. That's kind of weird. But on this side, it's totally different. Now, why did they do that? The striping isn't so good here. You can see from where the mold was. That's really odd. Why would they do that? That's kind of a cheap letdown. I mean, why not put a place on the other side too? Oops. Okay, so the first thing I made is this little hot rod tow truck. Next up we have this minivan concept. Which is kind of cool. A little bit of a trunk overhang there. Here's something that it's not quite fitting in very well. And this is kind of a bummer. So I'm going to try to put this piece in the back here. And it doesn't quite fit. That's a downer. That's hard to get out. 346 minutes later. The pieces on the top, however, seem to grip pretty well. So you don't have to worry about pieces falling off. Here's another look at the two Lego compatible pieces that go on the vehicle. They seem to be pretty well made. You can see they have impressed on them the Hot Wheels banner. I'm going to see how it sticks onto. And that's interesting. There's a little bit of a gap. Doesn't quite fit on there nice and snug. Try this one. Put a little scoop on it. Let's see how tall it is. See, it kind of wants to fight. Oh, I see. There's actually a little bit of slope to it. Interesting. It doesn't actually lay flat. You can see that there's a wedge shape right there. Let's see how this piece does. If you look at it, the Hot Wheels piece is actually a little bit taller in profile. Interesting. It's just about centered too. The offset. Okay, well, if you have a flat piece, it sort of works. Not really. Well, that's kind of a bummer. I was hoping it would be a little bit more compatible. Oh, I can see again, there's a little bit of a slope there. See that? So it's not completely flat, so that could be a big part of it. So there's a snazzy coupe muscle car. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have. With a little luck, Hot Wheels might do more of these Lego compatible cars. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks, y'all. Bye. Last but not least, you know I'm a tank guy, so I gotta make this version.